What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I've been really excited to get you guys this review on a condo that I've been waiting to get into for, man, I can't tell you, this place has been super difficult to find. Centric Sea. These condos are fantastic, but this review is going to have a plot twist because I got caught in the typical bait and switch scam. That's right. So if you haven't heard, some of these condos, sometimes, those prices are unbelievable, and I kind of felt that this was going to happen here. What ends up happening is you get into your room and it is absolutely nothing like the photos. You get photos on your listing of a completely remodeled room, but when you get to the condo, that room is still from back when this thing was built. And I'll give you some history on that as well. Now, as far as location, this is in an absolutely ideal area. You're on Soi Song, which is Second Road from the beach, right between Soi 6 and Soi 7. So everything, nightlife, right at your doorstep, basically. You hop onto the bot bus. You can go all the way down to Jom Tien if you wanted to. So really, really ideal location. And super duper sky rise. Look at these things, both of these towers, right? Got the 34th floor on one in building B, the 44th floor in building A. Both buildings have infinity pools, rooftop gyms, and sky lounges. Let me take you over there. Now, the Centric Sea Condos in Pattaya is a modern high-rise condo project, right in the center of the city. The building was completed around 2015 by SC Asset, one of Thailand's major developers, and it consists of 2 towers, each with its own rooftop spaces, infinity pools, gyms, and sky lounges. The rooftop pool, gym, and even the sky lounge have the most incredible views of Pattaya. So I was super excited to stay here. You get a full panorama of Pattaya Bay, the beachfront curve, the entire city skyline. It's honestly one of the best rooftop viewpoints in central Pattaya. This here is the most amazing view from the 44th floor in building A, right by this infinity pool facing beach. Man, absolutely amazing. But as you can see in the water here, some of these days that are windy, it gets pretty windy up here. That's why I usually use the pool in building B, which is on the 34th floor. And like I said, both buildings have their own gym, their own sky lounge. So it's not like all these people that are in both buildings have to share one location. Each building has its own rooftop amenities. So from the outside and from the rooftop, the building looks amazing, and it checks every box for location, amenities, security, and convenience. But now, let me show you the room they actually put me in. Now, the photos in the room description certainly showed a nice remodeled room. It didn't have this nasty looking kitchenette thing. The fridge is nice, but god awful wallpaper. Look at that horribleness. Certainly nice to have a washing machine in the room. There's no dryer. You're simply left to hang your clothes drying on the balcony, which seems to work. A little bit of storage area right here. Man, that wallpaper though. Oh, horrid. I don't know who chose that. You do have a kettle there to make some warm tea. They do provide you with a lot of bowls, cups, as if I'm going to be cooking anything. No, definitely not going to. There's a microwave down here for you to use. So you can definitely tell this unit has never been renovated since the building opened in 2015. So right past the kitchen, you step into the living room. It's a small, simple layout with the older style furniture that was originally delivered to these units. The couch, the TV stand, everything looks functional, but definitely not upgraded. So in the bedroom, again, completely unrenovated. The bed, sliding door, the closet, all original furniture from when the building opened. However, overall, this is a decent layout for a small one-bedroom. But the lighting is dimmer, the style is dated, the view isn't exactly what I was hoping for being on the 6th floor. Now the air conditioning here worked really well. There's 2 mini splits, so you can separate your temperatures between the bedroom and the living room if you chose. There's definitely enough room, enough space, and enough storage area for a couple to stay in here. And if you're single and you're staying in this place, there's plenty of room. So the bathroom, same thing, original condition, clean, functional, but definitely older styling. Basic tiles, basic fixtures, nothing wrong with it at all, but nothing like the renovated photos from the listing. So here's the honest truth. The building is amazing. The amenities are some of the best in Pattaya. The location is perfect. But the room I received was absolutely a bait and switch situation. The unit did not match the renovated photos that were shown in the listing, and being placed on the 6th floor meant no real view. Would I stay here again? Yes, but only if I can first confirm the exact unit ahead of time, make sure the actual photos match the booking photos, and ideally get a higher floor renovated room. Let me know if you've ever had a bait and switch experience like I did in Pattaya or anywhere else in Thailand. And if you want more real honest reviews just like this one, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more Crazy Day Adventures.